Hello, this is Samera speaking, and this is episode 6 of Make It Happen. Today we're going to talk about marketing, and more specifically we'll talk a little bit about internet marketing. Over the years, we've tried, as every business does, different forms of marketing, from leaflets to magazines to ads out in the local paper. And, many things have worked and many things haven't worked. But certainly over the last, I'd say, about 5 to 7 years, by far the most effective form of marketing for us, being high street dentists, private high street dentists, has been internet marketing. By that, predominantly, I'm talking about pay-per-click as well as the website, your website and website marketing. These methods have been, we are finding increasingly, are taking over our marketing budget for the whole year, and we're finding that we're using less and less other forms of marketing, which I will talk about in the next episode. So going back to internet marketing and creating a fantastic website is by no degree a mean feat. It really does require a lot of skill, a lot of testing, and in my opinion should be given to the experts, i.e. designers, web designers and internet dental website experts. So I think that's where we spend a lot of our time, and more so recently also we have got ourselves into the social media side of things, as again many practices are, and through speaking to these people who are experts, we've discovered that actually, because we're not selling business to business, we are selling business to public. The best form of social media for us in our business, i.e. the business of dentistry, is Instagram. So Instagram is proving to be more and more popular in every walk of life, but certainly in our industry. And then on number 2 would be Facebook marketing. So again, anything that's newsworthy or any offers or anything like that, can be bespoked on Facebook and does have quite a good recall rate. And lastly, we would look at Twitter as a social media presence. But I think in that order is how effective things are at the moment for us, i.e. Instagram, followed by Facebook and followed by Twitter. Things like LinkedIn, etc., aren't really popular for our kind of business. But of course, if you have a business to business business, then LinkedIn would be a very, very popular mode of communication with